Coding is essentially the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform specific tasks. Think of it as a way to communicate with machines. In our digital world, coding is crucial because it powers everything from the apps on your phone to the websites you visit. Understanding coding opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to create, innovate, and solve problems. Now, let's talk about some common programming languages. Python is a great starting point for beginners. It's known for its readability and simplicity, making it easy to learn. Then there's JavaScript, which is essential for web development. It allows you to make websites interactive and dynamic. Other languages like Java and C++ are also popular, but starting with Python or JavaScript can give you a solid foundation. When you start coding, there are a few fundamental concepts you should grasp. First up are variables. Think of variables as containers that hold information. For example, if you want to store your age, you might create a variable called age and assign it a value, like 25. This way, you can easily reference that information later in your code. Next, we have loops. Loops are powerful because they let you repeat a set of instructions multiple times without having to write the same code over and over. For instance, if you wanted to print the numbers 1 to 5, instead of writing 5 separate print statements, you could use a loop to do it in just a few lines. Functions are another key concept. A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. You can think of it as a recipe. You define the ingredients, inputs, and the steps, instructions, to achieve a result. Once you create a function, you can reuse it whenever you need it, which makes your code cleaner and more efficient. Let's put these concepts into practice with a simple mini project, creating a basic number guessing game in Python. You can start by defining a function that generates a random number between 1 and 10. Then, prompt the user to guess the number. Use a loop to give them multiple attempts and provide feedback on whether their guess is too high or too low. This project not only reinforces your understanding of variables, loops, and functions, but also gives you a fun way to see coding in action. As you embark on your coding journey, here are some tips to keep in mind. First, practice regularly. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're a crucial part of the learning process. Utilize online resources like coding tutorials, forums, and communities where you can ask questions and share your progress. Finally, work on small projects that interest you. This will keep you motivated and help solidify your skills. Coding is a valuable skill that can lead to exciting opportunities. Embrace the challenge, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of learning to code.